I was about to say. I couldn't kill myself. I was just waiting. That's why I did too. I couldn't kill. I couldn't hurt you at all. I'd kill myself if I shot you any. I killed that guy right there. I walked back there, set up on the truck, and I was like, alright, whenever he responds, I'm just gonna unleash into him with my bipod down. He spawned like twice before I finally killed myself. I was like, haha. Then he killed me like a minute later. Like, what the hell, you bitch? It doesn't do anything. Hmm. I think he walked as soon as you shot. He just walked in front of you. I was like, well, yeah. No, on my screen he just walked and he just fell over. He was right there and he just went doo doo doo. I was like, oh, okay. I guess it's gonna have to be. You can't do anything about your head. Woo! That was close to that dude's head. I just went.
I need to reload.
He teleported over there, but appeared in front of me for some reason. I shot that guy in the forehead like 4 times on my screen. Unless I was just slightly off. It's very possible. Don't let him get so close to you. Maybe. Uh-huh. Hey, boy. Yeah. What the fuck are you doing, cat? Why come up here and jump on me just to jump off? He came up here and jumped on me, looked at the screen, he's like, oh, you're not playing RimWorld? Fuck you then. And just ran away. Oh, I see that. How the fuck are you over there? Yeah, you're by yourself. Behind you, lots. I lived. I see you, big guy. I'm reloading for you. I know. I see you, you big fucker. Wow. Was that not a teammate behind me at all? Okay. What the fuck are they doing? Oh, these people's pings are worse than yours and mine and the other guys put together. Kane, what are you doing, boy? Hey, what's up? What are you doing? What is it you wanting, boy? Well, you ain't used to this cable being up here? I saw it.
Watch out!
Here, let me get rid of it. There you go. He's so... Yeah.
Over there!
That you died? No, okay. Okay. Because as soon as he shot you, somebody died. I was like, he killed you. I might come in half. I can't. I would kill myself. I just thought about that afterwards, but still. I can't jump over that. He could. What? I'm good.
Molotov out! I'm reloading! Gonna use a Molotov! Over there! That's enemy! Blue! Blue! On blue! Stop! Look! Is anyone
Yeah.
out there?
Yeah.
Suppressing fire!
Shoot at me again. I don't think you realize he's the only reason he was still alive. Cheating bitch. God, calm and just walk outside like fine. It's fine, be that way. Imagine me in the real war. Like, I easily shot you in the ass. Nah, it's okay.
Stop that! Stop shooting!
Yeah. He was just gonna fuck around and kill SL. Exactly. Alright then. You what now? Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, brother, I'm loading. Wait, hang on. Where the hell is it? Target spotted. I'm going to blow it. Right there, right there. Hey!
I walked between him and the enemy trying to get him to kill himself. I was like, I'm gonna be the only one that lived over here. Just me, you, and another guy's the only one alive. Me and like 3 other people walked over there and they all died. Where the heck are you at? Oh, hello. I'm gonna go over here, I think. Yes. How'd that work out for you that time? You tried it one too many times, Payne. Yeah, he came running in through my fire and tried to shoot me and just died. I was like, nah. I'm like, how'd that work? He's right here. He's dead as shit. I teabagged his dead ass body.
Charlie, secure.
Yeah, Emma's over there.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I'm just using the weird game mechanics against them. Throwing fire and shit random spots. I'm like, yeah. I don't either. He might be like my nephew, just doesn't know any better. In some games there is no friendly fire. Like I'll throw him on battle bits or something like that. I'm like, here you go. It's something you ain't gotta worry about. Yeah. He's like, he's looking at Ready or Not or Daisy, and I was like, go ahead and give it a try. Nah, you don't like that too much. Nah, Ready or Not freaked him out. Yeah.
I need to load.
Yeah, I know like the hand-to-hand mechanics and shit by heart. I'm like, alright. Like I'm good at the game, but like what the fuck? I'm good at like the tactical aspect of it. Fall over, motherfucker! If I shoot a guy that many times with my pistol in real life, I'm gonna be fucking mad. Like, yeah, I'd be like, what the fuck? I don't know. I seen it happen, and that's why I left. What the fuck is happening? What? Behind you. Oh, the truck is still there. Shit.
Cocksuckers! Hostiles!
What? What? He stabbed me while I was putting so many rounds in his chest. I don't know. I have no idea. I know. What the fuck? Ah.
Get ready! Alright, let's move! Watch me! I'm reloading! Okay, I'm on Alpha! Throw the frag! Alpha secured!
Yep.
Hey! Get Alpha yellow! We're losing Alpha! Wait, hang on! They're taking Alpha! They're taking Alpha! Enemies Alpha! Enemies Alpha!
Oh, I got it on my left, loading. Keep running. Okay.
Losing Alpha! Hey! Get Alpha yellow! Cover me, goddammit!
A guy came up to my right, stabbed me once, and walked back over there, and I was like, "What?" Okay.
Hey! Get Alpha yellow!
That was fucking ridiculous. Yeah, I heard him.
Loading! Okay, dumbasses! You guys all okay? Anaquarius! They tried to kill me! Yeah, I'm uninjured. Okay, ready. Alright, I'm good. Reloading weapon! Hey, I'm gonna load up! I'm loading up, brother! Hang on!
Yeah, I'm gonna let them do what they want to do. I was gonna throw a Molotov on it, maybe.
Taking Bravo!
Yeah.
Hey, flashlight! Shit!
Yeah, he was behind you. I saved you. I shot you in the back, and my guy screamed. Nah. I'm so strong. The only thing that hurt me is myself. See, I question. If I hit myself and it hurts, am I weak or am I super strong? It's like Escanor from the 78 series. It's like, oh, no wonder I actually felt that. That was myself. It's like, motherfucker, what? Yeah, condescending. He is the one who stands above all. Yeah. They had these plot armors to kill him. Like the other 7 million kids got pissed off because he was beating the shit out of the devil by himself. Like, dude, you gotta let us run the fade with you. You can't just do this shit by yourself. It's like, ah, sure, come on, let's all beat his ass. Like, what? The devil's just like, what the fuck? Alright. Yeah, yeah. Keep on trying to face tank it, you bitch. Reload. Yeah. I mean, yeah. That fucking guy in the pure black fell over so fast first. We both just went, nah, you died today. Yeah, I know. Oh, he's good.
Stop shooting me! All right, Delta's been secured. Everyone, hey, what you clear? I'm looting, looting.
Is it? Try to throw a grenade on it. Okay, see, we had the same idea. That bitch tried to pick up my fucking grenade and throw it back at me. Did you see him? I didn't know they did that. He ran straight for it like a fucking hero. Yeah, I mean, that's fair, but I'd never think about doing it. You can never see them. I hear them all the time. Wait, look there. He's on the gun! Okay, he's dead. He got on the gun. He's got you. That gun's bugged. I think you're shooting the truck. Nah, you do what you gotta do. I don't trust him. Need ammo too. I hear that gun shooting over here still. Did y'all go the right way? Yeah, I thought there's a road right here. Yep. It's already done. Fair enough. I was gonna throw a molly on it. You're good.
Hey, I'm burning it. Careful. Let me load.
Still got 7 mags. What the hell?
Hey, I'm loading.
Ah.
Anyone
Yeah, right there.
loading? Ready.
Hear a big guy doing something over there. Walking through my Molotov. No, I think about 2-3 minutes at most. There's nobody even near us. They're back at the truck still. Ugh. Somebody threw a fucking Molotov at me from so far away. You little bastards. I was heading that way. Okay, I had like 6 more hit behind me. Hello there. Here, I'll throw a grenade out there real quick.
I'll frag it.
I see a guy. I see breath. I'm like, I'll just throw a grenade right quick. Fuck all y'all. I ain't got time for that shit today. Oh. Whoa, behind you on stairs. I didn't know they came from right here. The fuck?
Okay, that's clear.
That's not you, okay, that's somebody else. If I only got somebody else here.
Changing mags. Enemy on Foxtrot. Enemy on Foxtrot. Look, look. Fuck, we have enemy at Foxtrot.
Leave her alone.
Enemy's close.
Look.
Enemy on Foxtrot. Enemy on Foxtrot.
You know, quarterback that fucking can't move.
Fuck, we have enemy at Foxtrot.
Go after you, Nick.
Hey, I'm gonna load up. Give me a second, Yahi. Enemy on Foxtrot. Enemy on Foxtrot.
I see. I'm up behind you. Yeah, I'm watching both ways and behind you, sort of. Take down the hill, because they keep coming that way too. Just slowly up this way. You see what the fuck I'm going through. These guys keep walking in front of me. Making it very hard. Cause I don't trust them. I'm also like just trying to watch this way. Cause they only show up like one or two back here, but you can't hear them.
Throwing grenade!
I don't trust them.
Yeah, break the goddamn neck, man. I'm telling you what.
Yeah, that's why I'm walking back and forth pretty much.
Speak up, how are we looking?
Yeah.
Be better, I'm good.
Yeah. I didn't die a single time. I had everything on my screen. Oh, that's just, you didn't die. Yeah, you got the same thing I did. I got that one most offensive kills and most defensive kills somehow on my screen. It's all around. Yeah.